Well guys, I tell you what, it's a good thing we got done. Look at the, I don't know if you can see the trees, but listen. Hear the wind? It's like blowing 45 miles per hour, gusts over 60 right now almost, from the northwest. And look at the snow coming. Oh guys, I want to show you how windy it is. Got my AC unit covered. Got my stakes put in the ground. I'll just show you some of the stakes. See the stakes there, them yellow white things? Well, look at how windy it is. You won't be able to hear me. It's from the northwest. First of all, look at all my leaves I didn't get a chance to get yet. Got my AC unit covered. Not the perfect way, the wind's blowing from the northwest, way over there. Just got home from work. Look at the trees, watch. And that's nothing. It's blowing all over my neighbor's yard, all over there. Big piles all over. Sure glad we got done with harvest. And it's gusting over 60 miles per hour. It is 35 degrees out right now. See that? See the snow? It's now snowing. Well guys, it's still blowing, and look what we got now. We got snow now. Ooh, it's 22 degrees right now. Northwest winds, like, I think it's like 50 miles per hour. So we got done with soybeans just in time, I guess. That's why maybe I'll have to do a cold start on my avalanche. I haven't done that yet. This will be a cold start because this is the first snow of the season, and it's October 26th, 27th now. Look at the snow down here. You can hear the trees, the wind. $28 degrees, and a low battery obviously outside. I got it set at 75 in here. I am so cold. So I will try to do a cold start on my avalanche tomorrow. Look forward for that video in a couple days.